Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Site Visits and Inspection. Hopefully you are fine today, guys. Today I came here with the new topic for you. Contractor is inspection and submit this MAC, even material compliance certificate for our approval. Here you can see this item description. 1. Inspection for review and approval of autoclaved aerated concrete block, mean AAC block, sample size 600 length, 250 width and 200 height. And the second one is 600 length, 200 height and 300 width and millimeter. These dimensions are in millimeter, to be used for 250 and 300 width external wall. For your information, I will tell you, because here in Bahrain, where that room where there is the AC, according to EVA standard, their requirement is thermal insulated block to reduce the heat from outside. That's why they are requiring these AAC blocks. And I check these blocks. They attach the picture also. I will show you the picture, because two types they mention in the description. You can see here 600 length, 300 width and 200 height. And here is 600 length, 250 width and 200 height. And these are okay, and this all the description and details are according to the EVA. That's why we said no objection and proceed in accordance with comments. And even I also commented on the inspection request also. You can see here, yes, autoclave aerated block samples at site was found satisfactory, proceed accordingly and approved. You can see here. Okay guys, these are the AAC blocks, and even the contractors and the compression strength of these blocks also. I will just here short brief for your information. This is the test report compressive strength of masonry units. You can see here the length 600 and 300. Here is, you can see the minor is little bit in millimeter, because this is the actual length and in the laboratory, and the height is 200. Means 1 cm is more than 200. And density of 434, 465 means gross dry density kg per meter cube. Here you can see, because you will think, because the compression strength machine is very not very small. Even they cannot keep these type of sizes in the compression strength machine. That's why they prepared 100 100 and 100 height, mean length, width. They took sample according to the concrete. So sometimes we are filling the cubes in 150 for the concrete, and sometimes we are filling cubes in 100 into 100 into 100 This is according to the machine size, we can say it. Here you can see the maximum load failure in kilonewton, 28. When they kept these sample in the machine and they apply the force and to 8.6 kilonewton, this sample has failed. That's why they calculated, and the compression strength in they gain this 2.8, and means average is 2.9. You can see here the 3 sample average they took and 2.9. That's why this is acceptable. And this procedure maybe you will not understand. I will make separate video for this, when I will make video for the compression strength of the concrete cubes. What is the procedure, I will shortly tell you here. They took 3 samples and they just cured very well, and after watering they dried very well, and they took it the laboratory, and after put in the machine, and they check the compression strength of these samples, and there is some formulas applied, and then they get this compression strength. This failure means maximum load failure in the machine, and then they calculated, and accordingly they wrote here. And this is acceptable, because this is approved laboratory, International Laboratory Services WLN in Bahrain. Guys, these were the AAC blocks short introduction. I will just show you the sample also, just a minute. Yes, guys, these are the AAC blocks you can see here. First of all, as I showed in the picture which they attached, here you can see the length is 600, means 60 centi, 600 mm, and the width you can see here, see 30 centi, means 300 mm, and the height you can see here 200, see 20 centi, means 200 mm, and this is another 250 width. You can see the length you can see here is 600 mm, 60 centi, and the width is, you can see 20 plus 5, 25 centi, mean 250 mm, and the height is same, you can see here, yes, 20 centi, mean 200 mm. Okay guys, for your information, this is the lightweight AAC blocks which is using in the external wall. You can see here, this is Villa 1, the external where there is the props you can see, and these are the external areas where they will use this block, AAC block, lightweight, for the heat reducing purpose. This is the requirement by the EVA. Okay guys, thank you very much to support my channel. Okay, goodbye.